the motto, let learning be joy, teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process. Yeah, happy learning.
Subject Maths, Standard 7, Chapter 10, Part 1, Topic Banks and Simple Interest. Children, let us see what is a bank. A bank is a financial institution licensed to receive deposits and make loans. Banks may also provide financial services such as wealth management, currency exchange, and safe deposit boxes. There are several different kinds of banks, including retail banks, commercial or corporate banks, and investment banks. In most countries, banks are regulated by the national government or central bank. Key points regarding the bank. A bank is a financial institution licensed to receive deposits and make loans. There are several types of banks, including retail, commercial, and investment banks. In most countries, banks are regulated by the national government or central bank. Now let us understand about banks. Banks are a very important part of the economy because they provide vital services for both consumers and businesses. As financial service provider, they give you a safe place to store your cash through a variety of account types such as checking and saving accounts and certificates of deposits, and you can conduct routine banking transactions like deposits, withdrawals, check writing, bill payments. You can also save your money and earn interest on your investment. The money stored in the most bank accounts is federally insured by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation. Means in this bank we can keep our money safely in the bank. We can do the transactions. There are different types of accounts where we can keep our money. For business purpose there are different accounts, and for saving purpose there are different kinds of accounts, which we are going to study in the different slides. Bank also provide credit opportunities for peoples and corporations. The money you deposit at the bank, short-term cash, is used to lend to others for long-term debt such as car loans, credit cards, mortgages, and other debt vehicles. This process helps create liquidity in the market, which creates money and keeps the supply going on. See, these banks are providing the money to the customers also in the form of loan. There are different types of loans. So bank is not having the money by themselves they are giving. They are using the money which is deposited by the people for lending in the form of loan like car loans, credit card, mortgages, and other debt vehicles. Bank also provide credit opportunities for people and corporations. The money you deposit at the bank, short-term cash, is used to lend to others for long-term. The money which we have deposited, they are going to give it as a loan to the people as a car loan or for other types of vehicle loans. This process helps create liquidity in the market, which creates money and keeps the supply going on. So like this, the process of liquidity will be continue in the market. Types of banks. There are different types of banks. Retail banks deal specifically with retail customers. These banks offer services to the general public and are also called personal or general banking institutions. Retail banks provide services such as checking and saving accounts, loan and mortgage services, financing for automobiles, and short-term loans like overdraft protection. Most retail banks also offer credit services to their customers and may also supply to their clients with foreign currency exchange. These also cater to high net worth individuals, giving them special services such as private banking and wealth management. Examples of retail banks are TD Bank and Citibanks. See, these retail banks are generally for the customer, for general public it is. In this, we can open the saving account also. We can mortgage our vehicles and take the loans on that. There is finance also available for car loan, vehicle loan, and short-term loans are also given on the FDs. See, commercial or corporate banks provide specialty service to the business client, from small business owners to large corporate entities, along with day-to-day business banking. These banks also provide their client with other things such as credit service, cash management, commercial real estate service, employee service, and trade finance. JP Morgan Chase and Bank of America are two examples of commercial banks. Now see, for the business people, these commercial and corporate banks provide them the service so that they can run their business smoothly. They provide them with the cash management and other employee service, means the people can go to their house and provide their services of banking also there. An investment bank. IB is a financial intermediary that performs a variety of services. Most investment banks specialize in large and complex financial transactions, such as underwriting, acting as intermediary between a security issuer and investing public, facilitating mergers and other corporate or recognition, and acting as a broker or financial advisor for other institutional clients. Major investment banks include JP Morgan Chase, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, Citigroup, Bank of America, Credit Suisse, Research Bank. Some investment banks specialize in particular industry sectors. Many banks also have retail operations that serve small and individual customers. Means investment bank is acting as what? Like a advisory for other institutional clients, and they are also giving the other retail operations to the small and individual customer also. So both the type of works they are doing. Now various types of bank accounts. There are different types of account. First is saving account, current account, recurring deposit account, fixed deposit account, demat account, NRI account. In this T is missing. You can write down that account. Now saving account. What is saving account? For this account, maintenance of minimum balance is required. ATM card, ATM cum debit card, RuPay card will be given for the account holders. There is going to be no limit on the number of deposits that can be made in a month. But account holders will not be allowed most of 4 withdrawals in a month, which includes ATM withdrawal also. This account will be considered as normal banking service. The above facilities will be given without any charge. This charge will be levied for non-operation activation of inoperative basic saving bank deposit account. Means this rule sometimes change. Instead of 4, sometimes they consider 5 withdrawals. So it differs from bank to bank also, and the rules may change also. So as the previous rules are there, 4 withdrawals in a month, which include ATM withdrawal. They are providing you the service, means in saving account you can deposit as much money you can want. They provide you the ATM card. They provide you the normal banking service. There will be charge if it is non-operative, means if we are not operating the saving account for a period which is specified by the bank, then the charges will be levied on that. Current account. Mainly the current account is used by the business people. Any resident, individual, single accounts, 2 or more individuals in joint account, means it can be opened by any single person or 2 or more, or by companies or by institutions, limited company, religious institution, educational institution, charitable institution, club, etc. All are eligible for this account. Payments can be done unlimited number of times. Why they are opening current account? Because business persons need every now and then money for their transactions. So current account is only for business people. Funds can be remitted from any part of the country to the corresponding account. Overdraft facility will be available. Internet banking is there. Overdraft means whatever the limit is there, beyond that limit also they can issue you the check of that amount so that you can use it for your business purpose. Internet means online banking also you can do. Now fixed deposit. Banks which accept deposit from customers varying from 7 days to a maximum of 10 years. The period of 7 days and above, not exceeding 179 deposit, is classified as short-term deposit. If the amount is deposited till 179 days, then it will be called as short-term deposit. The minimum amount that can be deposited under the scheme is Rs 5 lakh for a period of 7 to 14 days. Fixed deposit. Any resident individual, single or two or more individuals in joint account, association, minors, society, club are eligible for this account. Minimum FDR in metro and urban branches is Rs 10,000. In rural and semi-urban for senior citizens it is 5,000. For the subsidy kept under the government sponsored schemes, margin money, earnest money and court attached order deposit minimum amount criteria will not be applicable. Depositors may ask for repayment of their deposit before maturity. Interest rate differs from bank to bank. Additional rate of interest 0.50 is offered for senior citizens. See, this fixed deposit can be opened by anyone, either in joint or either single or by societies or club. Minimum amount should be 10,000 in urban and metro areas, 5,000 in rural areas. For senior citizens, they give additional benefit, means additional interest of 0.50% is offered for senior citizens. Demat account. This account is generally used for transaction of shares, purchase of shares, sale of shares. For that purpose only this Demat account is open, used to conduct stress-free transactions on the shares. An individual, non-resident Indian, foreign investor, foreign national corporate, trust, clearing houses, financial institution, clearing member, mutual fund, banks and other depository account. For opening this account, an individual has to fill form, submit a photo of the applicant along with photocopy of voter ID, passport, Aadhaar card, driving license and Demat account number will be provided to the applicant immediately after the completion of processing of the application. Facilities provided under the account are opening and maintaining of Demat accounts, dematerialization, rematerialization, purchases, sales, pledging and unpledging the safe custody. Means this account is mainly open for the purpose of shares, purchase, sale, and it can be opened by when the formalities are completed by the bank. For that the details are given here: voter ID, passport, Aadhaar card, driving license. You have to give, then they will provide the Demat account number. Now NRI accounts or non-resident ordinary rupees account. These accounts means these are the accounts open for non-resident Indians. Debit and ATM cards are used in the realm of banking. Both ATM cards and debit cards are issued by a bank or a credit union to their clients when they made a bank account with this institution. Both ATM and debit cards work by linking and accessing the cardholder's account electronic with a plastic card. You can see that your parents or sometimes students are also opening the bank accounts. They are provided with debit and ATM cards. They can use these cards and this account is electronically with a plastic card. Thank you children. Have a nice day. Given below is the link for the textbook, e-link.